Hello everyone! Welcome to Use the Wings engine. This tutorial is the basics of Wings engine, the connection data chapter of the tutorial. Now let's start today's lesson. The first lesson is data organization. First, let's introduce what data organization means. The content displayed on the digital twin large screen essentially reflects the business logic. Therefore, when we organize requirements, we need to sort out the business logic of the entire screen and structure the content of the big screen. After the division, subpages and subsections are formed. Each subsection corresponds to a set of business data before the project starts. These data need to be sorted out first. Taking the needs of an enterprise as an example, we can divide different departments into different sub-large screens. Within the same department, we can divide them into several content sections according to business. These sections correspond to different business data of the department. Different data have different structures. Often requires different components to display to reflect the characteristics of the business. Therefore, we need to sort out these business data to select the appropriate components to design the big screen layout. So what do we need to do to organize the data? Different business data comes from different software and hardware systems. So when organizing data, we need to understand the first data access methods and interface docking methods. Because of data security issues, many customers' data sources cannot be accessed directly from the internet. So we cannot directly access the customer's data source. Then we can design and implement the big screen based on this. We can first use Excel to organize all the tables and fields. Then the designer can start to make the big screen. After completing the project based on Excel files, as long as the data structure of these Excel files and the local data source structure, no matter what type of data source, the data source, when we deploy the project, we can use the data replacement function to switch. Taking this project as an example, we can organize an Excel file to organize an Excel file. Each sheet in an Excel file corresponds to the data of a subboard. The final local Excel data would be basically like this. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.